Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Your data is one of your most valuable business assets, so keeping it safe should be a major priority. If you don't have good security in place, here are 3 basics you should be doing right now to protect your business. First, you need a firewall. This puts a barrier between your network and the outside world. It monitors incoming and outgoing traffic. Next, start using a password manager for everyone. This creates randomly generated passwords, which makes them very difficult to guess, and safely stores them so you don't have to remember any login details. Finally, install a VPN. That's a virtual private network. A VPN is vital for anyone working remotely. It stops any curious criminals snooping on your activity and accessing your data. Remember, this is the absolute minimum. For strong security, you need layers of different tools working together to protect you against every type of cyber threat. That's something we build for our clients every day. To keep your business safe, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.